Okay. Question 1C. It asks me, the question says, using the percentage two-way frequency table, describe whether or not the location of the fatalities is related to the road user. Support your answer with appropriate stats. Okay. Now, this question is basically asking you to describe, okay, the information in this table, okay, the two-way frequency table, in word. Okay. They ask it in a fancy way, okay, but that's what they basically asking for. The examiner wants to know whether you can describe this table using words. Okay. So I would, in order to get full mark, okay, what I can say is, okay, from the table, actually I write down like this, from the table, okay, we can say we know that there is, okay, a fatality there is 40.7 of percent. Well, what I can say, it is we have a higher percentage of pedestrian fatalities over Melbourne, which is 75.5%. Okay, so it's just a normal way you would describe it. Okay. That is a high fatality at Melbourne. Okay, sorry guys, it's kind of hard writing down there, which is 75.5%. Okay. Then if you look at the table again, compare to the rural area, okay, which is high fatality for pedestrian, okay, at Melbourne, which is this. Okay. It is only 24.5% in rural area. Okay. Again, right, okay, there is a high, actually a lower, okay, driver fatality record, okay, at Melbourne, which is 40.7%. Okay, it is 59.3% in rural area. Okay, so it's just a matter of writing down all this information. So the idea is you get 1 mark for this sentence, you get this 1 mark for that sentence. If you try to mark it, you get 1 mark by comparing this, you get 1 mark by comparing this. And then what's happened is you get, okay, describe whether or not the location of the fatalities is related to the road users. Of course, yes. Okay, then write down yes, it is related. Remember, it's three marks. The examiner is looking for 3 dot points. 1 dot points comparing 2 data, another dot point comparing the other 2 data. Then you need to answer the question. Yes, it is related. So this is how you get 3 marks. Okay. For question 1D, we need to give one possible reason why 75.5 pedestrian fatalities occur in Melbourne. Okay, why? Okay. Why in Melbourne the road fatalities? Well, we have more pedestrian fatalities. Okay. Now, why? So the answer is really because we have we have a more trans in Melbourne city rather than the rural area. Okay, so during car accidents, they more likely to die. Okay,